Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be creating our most anticipated, most requested Christmas star flower. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to combine the different colors to show you different varieties that you can make a Christmas star flower. This is going to be really interesting. Now you're going to need your material, whichever material you want to use. You're going to be having cutting it in 2 inches by 2 inches, like a square shape, and you can have it on this side, like you have 4 green, 1 red, or you have 3 red, 2 green, depending on whichever way you want it. But this method, this way of doing it, you can replicate in whatever way you want to do it. Now, this is how to do it. I need you to follow closely. Now, make sure you watch the end of this video because there is a very, very interesting professional hack I'm going to be showing you. Now, look at it very well. You're going to be picking one of the material. I want to start with the green, and you just pick one and you create it in a diagonal form. That's why you have to have a perfect square. One diagonal, and then you fold another diagonal. Now you're going to be cutting the edges like that, those sharp edges. You're going to be cutting it nicely, like you're making a quadrant. Okay, and then you need your needle and thread to run the stitch through. I hope you can see it. Some materials may be heavier or thicker than others, but just make sure that your needle is sharp enough to go through. And then I'm going to be putting like 4 or 5 stitches. Yes, and then I'm picking the red. I've picked the green for the first one. I'm picking the red. Same method. So you fold in 2 diagonals, you cut the tip like I do in a quadrant, and then you start with your stitches. This is really very easy. But like I said, there is a professional hack that I'm going to be teaching you at the end of this video. So your stuff is going to come out perfect and brilliant. Now this is should be the last one. Like that, 2 diagonals, and then you cut the tip, and then you pass your running stitch through. This is really easy, but you just need to follow the process. Just follow the process. And there's so many acts I'm going to be teaching you on my training program. If you're ready to join me on my training program to learn about different methods of fabric roses, different methods of fascinators, and even ever foam creations, there is a wait list at the end of this video in the comment section. Just join the waiting list on WhatsApp, and then you get more information. Now I've done 5. You need 5 of that petal to make 1 star flower. Now all I'm just doing now is just to tie it neatly. You're going to be tying it like twice, so you can see my own arrangement: 1 red, 2 green, 1 red, another green. So you can do whatever combination you want to bring out whatever style you want, and that's how to do it. And then you make sure you tie really neatly. Now this is the tie. Now this area is where I don't want you to miss. This next step, you must not miss it. Now we've done the star flower, but there is a professional way of making sure that it comes out really good. Yes, and you're going to be needing a light source for this. You can use a lighter, candle. Can you see how I bent it out? And then you're going to be using your source of light around that bent area. Can you see? And then you're going to be using your hand to adjust it into each other. Pick the other end like that. Can you see? Like so. And you need your heat source. Make sure while it's hot, you use your hand to bend it into each other. Yes, to make sure that we don't have a gap inside, and to make sure that your edges that looks like it's free does not really come off. And then you have your embellishment, whichever embellishment you want, and that is your Christmas star flower. This is a very well requested, and that's why I decided to show you. Make sure you make some this Christmas and send me your pictures, or your pictures in the comment section. I would love to see your creations. Till I see you in my next one, make sure you join my wait list for my training. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye for now.